Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to upload files or photos on Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, update your Google Drive apps from your Play Store and App Store and then open it. After that, go to your plus icon here, click on the plus icon here and then click to the upload option. After that you can see lots of recent files here. Just you can choose files here by dragging the things, and then you can click to the left bottom side and you can see the lots of options here. You can upload images, videos, audios, document or something like that. You can choose from galleries, photos. I want to upload this picture, and for this click on this, and then you can see the files is now uploading. So this file is now uploaded. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.